we're going to have a look at scatter graphs and drawing a line of best fit to try and identify the relationship between the two axes and see if we can make any predictions based on that. So once we've conducted an experiment, we'll end up with a table of results like these here. And my experiment was the shoe size against the mass of 10 men. Now to plot my scatter graph, the first thing I need to do is to decide on the scale. So I'm going to look for the smallest shoe size, which is 5, and the largest, which is 12. So I know that on my x-axis I need to start at 5 and go up to 12. And I want to do it in nice easy numbers, numbers I can easily count in. So either 1s, 2s, 5s or 10s. And I'm going to go up in 1s. Let's start here at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Now, if I've written these numbers in pencil, I can of course rub them out if they didn't fit on the scale and redo it. But here I've not started at 0. So I just need to do a little zigzag here to let anyone who's looking at my graph know that I've not started at 0. And again, let's look at the mass. The smallest one is 65 and the largest one is 97. So we're going to start at 65 and I'm going to go up in 5s. So 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And again, I've not started at 0, so I'm going to do my zigzag. Now I can plot my point by going across and then up. My first point, across to 5 and up to 65. And I can draw my dot or my cross there. Then I can go along to 12 and now 95. I want 97, so I'm just below halfway in that box. If you want to pause there and plot the rest of the points, and then you can check it against the next slide. As I said earlier, we're looking for the relationship between the shoe size and the mass. And in this case, hopefully you can see there is a trend. All the points seem to be heading in that direction. So we can now draw a line of best fit. So we've drawn our line of best fit, and the plan is for the distance from these points to the line to be roughly the same as the distance from the points underneath the line to the line. I say roughly, you won't get it exact. But you must be aware that because we've used the zigzag here, we can't extend this line to the y-axis. It will not work. It would give us a false reading. But if you look at your science experiments, the points may not give you a straight line of best fit, and instead you might look for a curved relationship. These are a number of curved line graphs. Have a look at the data you've plotted. Would any of these fit the data more accurately than a straight line? Good luck with your experiment and analysing the data.